Hello everyone. Today we are going to speak about the ultimate sticker book from Space and Beauty. Now I got this book with the planner bundle of 2021, but this book is sold separately on their website as well. So I'm just going to do a flip through of the book today. So as you can see, it's a fairly large book with tons and tons of stickers. On their website they've mentioned it is 1000 plus stickers in this book, and I've counted it is around 1050 odd stickers in this book, so that is true. Now let's see what's there in the sticker book. So in the first page, as you can see, it is more of self-care kind of a page. So you have 9 hours of sleep, lying around bed in all day, transplant your flowers, try a new recipe, etc. kind of sticker. I also like the kind of colors that are there in this. Then you have I think this is the gratitude kind of a page. So you have start a gratitude diary, write a product list, or something again very much related to planning that you can use. Then you have tons and tons of planner stickers. So this week, meeting, mean plan, do it today, tomorrow, meeting, etc. So these are again a great set of stickers for planning. Then you have again small little stickers that you can put it up on your calendar spread. So you have blah, be happy. I think mostly they are decorative stickers, except a couple here which says email, party, etc. etc. Then you have a bunch of stickers again. There's no theme, I can't find the theme, but these are mostly decorative stickers. Then you have again set of planner stickers which says meal plan, goals, etc. Then you have some stamps. These are really pretty stamps. Again, a few planner stickers. Here it says I can, some breakfast stickers, some workout stickers, some waking up early stickers, drinking water. So tons and tons of planner stickers. Then you have pretty flowers. Then you have some black and white quotes. So it says you are amazing, be your best self, trust the process, you already have what it takes. Then you have some morning and night stickers. So sunshine, good morning, wake up gorgeous, relax and enjoy your day, grocery shopping. Then you have some plant stickers. Then you have again some food stickers and some diary, planner, email, to-do list kind of thing. Then you have an entire page of chai and coffee stickers. So here you can see there is some chai, there's some coffee, hot chocolate, matcha tea, all of that. Then you have some gardening stickers. So again, the days that you want to garden, you can mark that. Again, some gardening stickers, some just cacti stickers with plant lady, 3 plant lady kind of stickers at the top. Then you have pretty pastel stickers, just random. I can't see a theme again here, but it just says hello sunshine, yes you can do it, a workout sticker, girl power, you go girl kind of stickers. Then you have bunch of party stickers. So there's cake, there's cupcakes, there's bouquet, there's tons of flowers, confetti, etc. Then you have just getting ready stickers, if I'm not wrong. So stressed, depressed but well dressed, that is one of the quotes here. Some nail stickers, nice dress, makeup, all of that. Then you have, this is the entire sticker sheet for traveling. So you have a nice neck pillow, go away, nice little travel stickers. Then there is an entire sheet for holidays. So Christmas, happy holidays, warm and cozy New Year's, etc. etc. Then you have this is pretty nice. So this is eco-friendly stickers. So you have a soap, a recycling bin, stop wasting paper, reduce, recycle, reuse, recycle it, go green. So pretty nice set of stickers. Then you have just random decorative stickers, but I like the color theme. It's very unique. Again, a list of food stickers. This has both healthy and unhealthy foods. So you have bananas, lemons, mangoes, etc. And then you have cakes, burgers, all of that. Again, a sheet of eco-friendly stickers. So quit plastic, zero waste, reuse, recycle, all of those love your planet kind of stickers here. Then you have again some random stickers, but these are no theme as such. So this is time for Hygge, feel cozy, be merry and bright. But these are very autumnal stickers, so you can use it somewhere around October. Now these are very, very useful planner stickers. Again, something that you want to highlight specifically, or you want to put remember, my plan, don't forget, important, to do, note kind of notes in your planner. Again, set of planner stickers, but very different colors. So holidays, work, movie day, to do, plan, to buy, all of those important stickers that you may need. Then you have a ton of, I think again, a few planner stickers and a few decorative stickers. A similar theme here as well. But there are a few swimsuits, so a lot of holiday stickers and all of that as well. Again, these are no specific stickers, but this theme remains constant. So phone and hearts here. Again, some decorative stickers here. Yeah, and that's it. So overall, I really loved this book. But I would really like if every page had a theme, so I can quickly go to that page and really take the sticker that I want. So if I am planning something, I will go to my planner sheets. If I'm going to a holiday, then I can go to my travel sheet. If I am sick, I can go to the sick day sheet. So something on that lines. I think if there was a theme to each and every page, it would have been really useful. But nonetheless, I haven't seen such good quality, such nicely drawn stickers in the market at this point. And if you are looking for a sticker book for your planner, I think this comes in really handy. Thank you for watching our video. I'm hoping to see you all in my next one. Have a nice day.